My name is Dakota Brown. I'm the service manager at Dual Temp Company, and I've been here for roughly 10 years. Dual Temp Company is a mechanical contractor in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We've been in business for around 50 years. We are a full service mechanical contractor, and we have at this point roughly 20 service technicians who have experience in all levels of commercial HVAC service. Before we started using Interplay Learning at Dual Temp, our training was very haphazard. Nothing was set in stone. It was whenever it came up, we did training. We did a lot of the trainings that our local distributors offered, but we didn't really do much in the way of in-house training. So at Dual Temp, we want our people to look at this as a career and not a job. And for people to look at something as a career, they need to see the potential to grow. Interplay and Skill Mill has allowed us to show our employees that we're investing in them, and from a professional standpoint, they can get the training that they need on the information that they need to get. So if it's a refrigeration system and they need that training, they can get it. If it's an electrical troubleshooting problem, they can get that information. Interplay's constantly updating and adding things: rooftops, chillers, HVAC motors. They're adding plumbing, so we can leverage that training. Interplay allows our technicians to feel that Dual Temp is investing in them and that they can then invest in themselves. Right now, I'm going through a series of goal setting meetings where we meet with the technicians and set goals for them. And a lot of the time when I meet with these technicians, I'm putting assignments on them through Interplay, through Skill Mill, using that new command center feature and assigning courses to them to do with a due date. It's very important for Dual Temp to put so much focus on training and education, because if you're in this industry, if you're in any of the trades really, you hear about it all the time, the skills gap. We have a really hard time in this industry and in the trades in general, finding young, motivated people who have experience. Skill Mill and Interplay gives us the ability to hire on someone who doesn't have HVAC experience, give them known training that we know works, and send them out in the field knowing they have some of that background, and then they can test it in the real world with on-the-job training. So Interplay and Skill Mill really gives us the backup to be able to hire on people to help us fill that skills gap.